Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to buy Netflix gift card. If you'd like to buy a gift card so that you can pay for Netflix or to just give it as a gift to one of your friends, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Log into your Netflix account. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see a profile. Click it on, and from the expanded menu, click on account. On your account page, at the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see an option that says where to buy gift cards. And you'll be taken to a next page where you can buy online gift cards, or you can also contact to one of these stores to buy it in a store. Pick any one choice. I've chosen the buy online option. Now choose the store from where you'd like to buy it online and click it on. On the next page, you'll get to choose from the categories of popular gift cards. Go to the Netflix category at the top under popular categories, and now choose the Netflix gift card that you'd like to buy. Click on buy in order to move on to the next step. Choose the number of cards that you'd like to buy, and once you do that, click on continue to check out. Enter your email address into the text box and click on continue to check out. On the next page, select a payment method that's suitable for you. Let me select PayPal. Click on I have read and accept by going through the information and click on place order. Soon after you do that, you'll be receiving the gift card on your email address that you typed in. Once the gift card arrives, you'll be able to watch Netflix until the gift card balance runs out. That is how you can easily purchase gift card for Netflix quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.